In a small village along the Nile, whispers began to spread about a stranger who appeared one day speaking the ancient language of the Pharaohs, mesmerizing everyone with tales of forgotten dynasties and lost treasures. As night fell, the stranger recounted epic tales of gods and pharaohs, igniting the imaginations of young and old alike, making them yearn for adventure and connection to their long-lost heritage. In that moment, the boy felt a spark within him, a longing to explore the mysteries of his ancestors as the stranger's words wove a spell that would forever change the course of his life. Years later, inspired by the stranger's tales, the boy set out on a quest to uncover the secrets of his past, fueled by dreams of treasures buried beneath the sands of time. As he ventured deeper into the tomb, excitement surged through him, each step echoing the tales of the pharaohs, and he wondered if he was destined to be part of their story. In that moment of triumph, he understood that the language of the pharaohs had not just been spoken to him, but now flowed through his veins, forever connecting him to a glorious past.